Hello student, how are you? I hope all of you are good and safe. Student, earlier we discussed about types of fraction. Now our next topic is comparison of fractions. Start with rule first. When the fraction have same denominator, the fraction with greater numerator is greater. For example, suppose we have fractions like 9 upon 11, 7 upon 11. How we will compare these fractions? Fraction have same denominator. The fraction with greater numerator. Is greater. So 9 upon 11 is greater than 7 upon 11. Let's take another example. Suppose we have a fraction 5 upon 7, 3 upon 7. How we will compare these fractions? The fraction have same denominator. The fraction with greater numerator. Is greater. So 5 upon 7 is greater than 3 upon 7. Rule number 2. When the fraction have same numerator, the fraction with greater denominator is smaller. For example, suppose we have a fractions 3 upon 7, 3 upon 5. How we will compare these fractions? The fraction have same numerator. When the fraction have same numerator, the fraction with greater denominator. Is smaller. So 3 upon 7 is smaller than 3 upon 5. Let's take another example. Suppose we have a fractions 5 upon 14, 5 upon 12. How we will compare these fractions? The fraction have same numerator. The fraction with greater denominator. Is smaller. So 5 upon 14 is smaller than 5 upon 12. Rule number 3. When the fractions have different denominators and numerators, we multiply or divide the fractions with same non-zero number to make the denominator same and then apply rule 1. For example, suppose we have a fractions 3 upon 5, 7 upon 8. How we will compare these fractions? First, to make the denominator same. So 3 upon 5 is equal to, the LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. So 3 into 8 upon 5 into 8 is equal to 3 8 ja 24 upon 5 8 ja 40. Now 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8 is equal to 7 into 5 upon 8 into 5. Seven fives are 35. 8 fives are 40. Now apply rule first. Apply rule first. 35 upon 40. 35 upon 40 is greater than 24 upon 40. 24 upon 40. 35 upon 40 is equal to 7 upon 8. Twenty-four upon 40 is equal to 3 upon 5. Hence, seven upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 5. Now we are solving exercise 2.1. Question number 1, part 2nd. How do we get its lowest term? Any fraction may be reduced to lowest terms by dividing the numerator and denominator by their HCF. So HCF of 120 and 168 is 24. Therefore, (120) upon 168 is equal to 120 divided by 24 upon 168 divided by 24 we get 120 divided by 24. We get 5 upon 168 divided by 24. We get 7. Hence, (120 upon 168) in its lowest term in its lowest term is 5 upon 7.